Okay guys, so today we are gonna discuss that how you can find potential content on Facebook groups, in the Facebook groups, and who is posting the best content, what should you read, what should you not, and I will tell you how you can find that content. First of all, I will appreciate Marie that she's really posting a lot of content in her Facebook group. One of her groups is Amazon FBA sellers, Amazon FBA items, and she has posted a lot of content there. If you really wanna learn something, you can go to her group and find her post and read the content. Here I just have only one post, and there are so many posts in the group, so many posts. You can go to her group and find her post for Amazon, PPC, for Pinterest, and content, a lot of content. And then here you can join my 5 days Amazon paid workshop to learn more techniques and proven methods for Amazon PPC to launching new products on Amazon. You can book a one-on-one consultation call, join my group, contacting for bigger brands approval in UAE for wholesale, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Facebook group, Facebook page, LinkedIn profile, Instagram, and so on. Here, Amazon FBA mystery book. You must read it. Here, this is the link. Copy this link and paste on the Google, and you'll go direct to the book on Amazon and buy it from there, download from there, whatever. And then, if you want some discount on Data Die Tool by Brandon Young, use my name Wasim and get $50 discount. I will paste this all stuff in my YouTube video link description, in my YouTube videos description. So today's topic that I have already explained, how you can find the content, whom you should follow, and how you can reach out to me for more learning from proven methods. What I teach in 5 days: Amazon introduction, why Amazon, which model works most, what is private label, wholesale, a lot of things. Here you can see my screen. In the PPC, you can learn the proven methods to rank, to cover the A cost, to reduce the A cost. You know, Amazon learning and Amazon earning. If you are a new seller, I have seen so many sellers that they are new sellers, they want to liquidate their inventory, they do not have much knowledge, much information, they are wasting money, they are not hiring experts. They have money, they should hire experts because they are going to start their business. What are the major reasons why new sellers are not getting successful? They made mistakes when they finalized their products. They never checked it that it is copyright, or it is patent, or somebody else is selling, or some other sellers are selling, or they have chosen or maybe they have chosen a product which is already selling high, well selling, but you cannot compete that competition. They are big brands. You cannot compete bigger brands. And as a new seller, your target is not to compete bigger brands. Your target is to make some dollars from Amazon. Once you have more products, once you are bigger seller, bigger brand, then you subdue them. Then again, I would say that do not compete with anyone. you will lose the money. That's it. Try to make your product much better. In this way, at least you can make dollars, and in this way, at least you can make money. I have seen that new sellers, most of many sellers, they have taken loan from the bank, then they start their Amazon sellers. They are investing their savings like that. But without an expert, before hiring an expert, you should have at least basic knowledge. Based on your basic knowledge, you can hire some experts, pay them, at least they can manage your business. You will not lose your money. Find a profitable product, source it from Amazon, source it from China or locally in USA, UK, Germany, wherever you are, wherever you can, or you need my house, let me know. I would suggest sell high ticket products like $25, $30, $35, like that. At least you will sell less units, but you will make money, and you can also recover PPC cost. Because PPC is rising every year. Amazon is taking a lot in FBAs, referral PCs, and so on. Inventory storage limits, inventory PCs, and so on. So many things is there. So, like, before starting Amazon, you should think. First, you have to get the Amazon introduction. Then you should think, why Amazon? Why I want to do Amazon? You should avoid if a model is not working for you, and you are trying to. If you have time and you have much knowledge, do it by yourself. You should think that which model works for me best, private label or wholesale. How much budget is required for me? How I can find a product and how I can launch? How can I find cheap sources? What are the terms and conditions? How can I make my product patent to save this product, to save the listing from hijackers? And how you can evaluate the competition? If a brand is selling like high ticket products or selling like millions, making millions in 1 month, and you think that you will make the millions also, no, you are not going to make. Look at their reviews. For example, water bottle, it has 80,000 reviews. For example, it has 80,000 reviews in USA, and you think that it is making a lot of money. Do you think to launch that same product, water bottle, and want to stand in front of that competitor? You think you will make money? You will not make money. You will only lose the money. Do not compete an established brand unless you have budget and you have the proper plan of action. As you know that there is no more VVROs. So how you can run the product? Still VVROs are going on. So but be very careful, and you can get the order most of the orders getting from PPC. You can get, and you can go for wine to get reviews. And PPC is must for ranking. You should never make any mistake to start to pause the PPC. If you are getting a sales from organically and you are thinking that you will stop the PPC and you will get the sales, no, it's not gonna happen. Sometimes you are spending on PPC, but based on that you are getting some organic sales. You have the organic ranking based on that PPC. Amazon algorithm is like very complicated. It's very hard to understand. It takes a lot of time to understand. Every day it's changed. Every day, every week, new things are coming. And naming structure in the campaign is very, very important. Very important. An evaluation every day, after a week, and after 2 weeks, the analysis and decisions based on the data, that will happen. What's your goal? You should have think that what's your goal. You want to decrease the ACOS, you don't want to go high on ACOS. What do you want? You want to grow the sales, and then take the decision accordingly. If you do not understand, if you need looking for help, let me know. I'll help for sure. As I said, you can go to my website and you can book a call. or you can go to my YouTube channel to learn. There are videos available. I will paste this all the links in my YouTube videos in my this YouTube video description. I hope it will help you. I hope it will help you a lot. Let me add it here, and I'm sure it will. You should start and solution book a free form. Book a free start. That's how. Here is my YouTube videos, like how to track products manually, how to evaluate brand, how to grow your sales on Amazon. I have done podcasts with my mentor as well, Vova and Gian as well. Gian is very good in product evaluation. Subscribe to Vova channel as well. Subscribe to Gian channel as well, and my mentor channel as well. For more learning, for more understanding, for more previously learning. So these are the things that why should you start selling on Amazon, and what are the mistakes you should avoid. Keep in mind, for the newcomers, they should think that why they should start freelancing. Why freelancing? Freelancing is independent. You just need a laptop and an internet connection. Few clients are enough for you. If you want to grow more business, you need team, build the team, and grow the business. Let me know if you need any help. I'll help you. Thank you very much.